They called him the Shadow Catcher. He traveled through storms and deserts to photograph a vanishing race before they disappeared forever. But are these stunning images history or a beautiful illusion? Let's find out. Welcome to Vintage Shots. In today's video, we journey back to the early 1900s to explore a rare and magnificent collection of Native American life. Our story begins in 1904 beneath the towering walls of Canyon de Chelly, Arizona. These images capture a world that was vanishing before the eyes of history. The man behind the lens was Edward Sheriff Curtis. Born in Wisconsin in 1868, his obsession began when he photographed Princess Angeline, the daughter of Chief Seattle, and that single moment sparked a lifetime of passion. By 1906, his vision attracted the wealthiest man in America, J.P. Morgan, who funded the massive North American project. With a wagon train and assistants, Curtis faced Arctic storms in Alaska and the suffocating heat of the Mojave Desert. He risked everything, disease, broken trails, and suspicious warriors to capture the faces of legends like Geronimo, Red Cloud, and Chief Joseph. Speaking of legends, I'm curious, where in the world are you watching this video from? And among these incredible portraits, which one impresses you the most? Please leave a comment below. And if you want to see more rare history brought back to life, don't forget to share this video and hit that subscribe button right now, because your support means the world to us. Back to Curtis, he succeeded because he had a unique philosophy, which was we, not you. He worked with the tribes, not on them. On wax cylinders, his team recorded over 10,000 songs and stories from 80 different tribes. To capture these stunning visuals, he carried a massive 14 by 17-inch camera, creating glass negatives that produced the sharp gold-toned prints he's famous for, earning him the deep trust of the tribes, who eventually named him the Shadow Catcher. However, in his quest to document a lost way of life, Curtis sometimes intervened by posing subjects like Lucy of the Papago tribe in romanticized settings, or removing clocks, wagons, and any sign of Western civilization to recreate a pre-Columbus ideal. But regardless of these edits, his work remains the most impressive historical record of the first Americans. A Quagio woman wears a fringed chilkat blanket and a mask representing a deceased relative who had been a shaman, 1914. Ultimately, the man known as the Shadow Catcher paid a heavy price for his obsession, dying in obscurity and poverty, but he left behind a treasure that money cannot buy. These golden images are not just photographs, they are a bridge to a lost world. So, if you believe in preserving these forgotten stories, please subscribe to Vintage Shots, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Your support is the only way we can keep bringing history back to life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next journey.